Your Vuselela Be Media Wise adventure begins right here.
3 easy steps to take you from zero to hero.
Step 1. Watch the weekly update video clips from your cell phone on Boza or every week on your community TV station to learn how you, yes you, can become a cell phone CJ.
Step 2. Make a 2-minute citizen journalism clip on your cell phone.
And step 3. Enter Vuselela Be Yourself.
And you could stand a chance of being the host of a TV show for a day and a fully paid bursary to Boston Media House and great weekly prizes.
This is Be a Cellphone CJ with Gino
and Nandi.
Hi guys.
Welcome to the last episode of Be a Cellphone CJ. Nandi, it's crunch time now. Before we go out and do all the shooting, we need to make sure we do some revision.
Usually I would say that you're being lame, Gino, but this time I actually agree with you. I think a good place to start is with some top tips on how to be a cellphone CJ.
First up, we take a look at the story.
So the most important thing to remember is the 5 W's and the H.
What happened, when did it happen, where it happened, who it happened to, why it happened, and how it happened.
Yes, and with the story, all the important stuff has to be at the top and all the least important stuff has to be at the bottom, like an upside down triangle.
Also, you need a catchy title like Petrol Crisis Looms or Grahamstown Student Wins Cellphone CJ Competition that will make people want to watch.
Yes. Is your story relevant? You need to ask yourself, are people actually going to want to watch my story? Remember, citizen journalism is not just about what's important to you, but it must also be relevant to your community.
Pay attention to the accuracy as well. You need to make sure that you're getting your information from sources that are reliable.
So, in a nutshell, Gino, those are the basics of a story. What comes next?
Next, we investigated how to shoot using your cell phone. What were some of the basics that we learned?
There was the long shot, which is from head to toe. And then there was the medium shot, which is from your waist up. And then there's the close-up, which fills the frame with your face. And remember, it's always best to use medium and close-up because your screen is so small.
Then we also took a look at angles, high angle and low angle. Now a high angle makes somebody look smaller and weaker, whereas a low angle makes somebody look bigger and more important.
So the basic camera moves are the pan and the tilt. Now you have to remember to keep your camera really steady. You can use bicycles, trolleys, or anything that you can mount your cell phone to.
Make sure you don't overexpose your images. This means that there is too much light in your images. On the other hand, they also shouldn't be underexposed where there's not enough light. Try to make sure that you're in a place where there's even light. If there's too much light, move to a place that has shade. Otherwise, adjust your settings on your cell phone. Guys, so this is golden hour. Now what golden hour is the time in the morning between 6 and 8 or in the afternoon between 4 and 7 where the sun is not directly above you and it isn't too harsh or too bright.
And remember, you also need to plan your story. You need to know what it is that you want in it and what kind of shots you would like. You can do this by using a storyboard. Also, you need to know what your cell phone can do. Like, for instance, if your camera doesn't have a pause function, you'll have to record your video in one take. And if you have access to a computer, you can always just edit it there.
Sound is very important. You need to make sure that you're in a sound-safe environment and be careful of your breathing. Also, when you're interviewing someone, make sure you move the cell phone closer or further away to make sure that you produce an even sound.
Okay, so if you need any more information, you can always check out the Boza page or watch older episodes that will give you all the information you need. But I think niyaithola.
So now you have shot your entry for the Be a Cellphone CJ and you need to get it through to Vuselela Media Wise.
Yeah, do you know, I've been busy all weekend working on my clip and I'm so proud of it. I can't wait to enter.
So let's enter. As we do this, we will show you guys how to get your stuff onto Vuselela. But if you do need more help, you can check out the Boza page.
Do you know, you are really good at this stuff. What is it that we should do first?
Look, everybody's got a different cell phone, but the Vuselela crew has made it very easy for us to get our clips to them. You can BBM your clip, WhatsApp your clip, email your clip, or you can take your clip, burn it onto a DVD and mail it to us.
You'll have to show me.
It's really easy. After the break, we'll be showing you guys how to send your finished product to the Vuselela Be Media Wise competition.